going to be reviewing the PREXISO Multi-Surface Laser Level. I'm going to give you a review. I'm going to show you how to use it. So Rowan's filming and editing. Say hi and show him some B-roll, Rowan.
Hello.
So in the box you get the actual device, and I'll show you how to use this. It's pretty cool. And in it you also get this kind of attachment thing for putting it on the wall or floor or something like that. It's got a magnet on it, and so this kind of lines up perfectly on there. You put this on the wall, and then you're gonna use it as a laser, as a leveling laser. And it does, here's something metal right here, it does stick onto anything metal, but if you're trying to stick it on a wall or something, you would use this. And so I'll show you how to use this and I'll set it up. Follow me. Let me show you how to put this onto the wall. It does have these little stickies. If you didn't want to poke a hole into drywall, you could put these double-sided stickies on. But in this case, this is going to be where the back of the photo is. So you pull these little pins out. That's what these were. And you push them in. And you just want to get this kind of straight. And it will leave tiny little holes. Here, Rowan, zoom in onto that tiny little hole. There is a tiny little hole there that you may or may not like, so you could use those sticky things, but like I said, this is going to be behind a picture anyways. And this doesn't have to be exactly straight, because then you put this on. And by the way, this is your button turning it on. It might take a while to figure that out if you didn't know that. But you put that on there, and then you level this thing perfectly, get the bubble in the middle, get this right at 0. If you wanted to, I guess, put it over to like 45 degrees to like hang some pictures at 45 degrees, you could do that. But we're doing a 0 situation and making sure these pictures are straight. If we were going from 0 without pictures being hung up, this tool would be pretty awesome to quickly do something like this. I remember working construction framing. We were always snapping lines with chalk, and they would get all over the place. It would get, it would just go away by the end of the day. This is something you can do a laser line, and if it was wrong, you can go redo the laser line. This tool is pretty awesome. I'm gonna recommend it. Get one in the link of the description below.